Vw Caddy in for a knocking noise. Here we are draining the oil. Well, state of that oil. We're going to be checking the big end shells because this has been knocking. So we should check this out. Vw Caddy. Alright, sump it off. All the swarf bits of engine, the big end shells. Let's get it stripped down. Have a look at the rods. And as you can see in that strainer, it's taken off. Look, there's all the shell bits in there. And then apparently, obviously the oil light's coming on because obviously it's not picking up the oil. Obviously starved the engine, destroyed the engine, and bits of metal in there. Taking down number 2 and number 3, but if you look, that's damaged the crank, and there's a little bit of metal there, as you can see, and that one, that's burned that one as well. And then, looking at the shells, look at that. That's literally burnt through. That's was the top one. That's the bottom one. And you can see where it's gone all blue. This is a scrap engine.
This was diagnosed 2 months ago that this could fail due to metal in the sump blast removal.